Dear 9th grade students, hi! Today we will learn a very easy lesson and important lesson about using the present continuous to talk about your future arrangement. Let's start together. So, we use the present continuous to talk about future arrangements. Before we start, let's remember what we have learned in the previous lessons. In the previous lessons, you have learned how to use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now, right now. For example, we are learning English now. We are having fun together. You are listening to me and we are talking in English. These are all examples on how we use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now, right now. Today we will learn something new. Today we will learn how to use the present continuous but to talk about future arrangements, things that people arrange to do in the future. We will also learn how to write a short paragraph using present continuous to talk about future actions. Let's start together. We will start with some examples that will show you how we use the present continuous to talk about future. Example 1. I am visiting my friend tomorrow. The action is happening tomorrow. What are you doing tonight? My brother is playing football with his friends tonight. I am going to the cinema at the weekend. Are you having a party for your birthday tonight? As you can see, all the actions in these examples are happening in the future, either tomorrow or tonight or during the weekend. So this means that we are arranging for future actions. And in order to talk about our future arrangement, we use the present continuous. Now let's look about the rules of using the present continuous to talk about the future. We use the present continuous to talk about future arrangements or the plans which you have arranged in the future. Some common time adverb expressions are used to indicate that the action will happen in the near future. When we talk about the future, we usually use certain time expressions that show that the action will happen in the future. For example, we use tonight, or tomorrow, or this weekend, next Monday, on Friday, on Saturday, next week, next year. As you can see, all of these expressions show future time. Now, you are asking yourself, how do we form the present continuous? It's very easy. Just pay attention. When we have the affirmative form, which means when we don't have not. When we have the affirmative form, we use the subject, Omar, Ali, I, my teacher, plus verb to be, am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with you, we, they. Plus verb, plus ing, and then you continue your sentence. Example, he is studying English tonight. Subject, verb to be, and that is here. Studying, verb plus ing, object, English, and we continue the sentence. Now let's look how we form the negative from the present continuous. We use a subject Then we put the verb to be am, is, or are. And remember to put not after the verb to be. And then you continue with verb plus ing and the object or the complement of this sentence. Example, they are not going on Saturday. They are not going on Saturday. Now let's learn how we ask questions using the present continuous. First of all, as you know, when you ask questions, you have to shuffle the subject with the verb to be. So we use the verb to be at the beginning, then the subject, then the verb with ing, and then you continue the question. And never forget to put a question mark at the end of the question. Are you going out tonight? Are you going out tonight? As you can see, we start with the verb to be, and that is either am, is, or are. And then you put the subject, the verb with ing, and then you continue the question. That is very easy. This is how we form the present continuous, whether in its affirmative form, negative, or interrogative form. Now, let's have practice. I want you to read with me this paragraph and then find the future arrangements in the text and write them in the boxes that follow. Let's read the paragraph together. Next week is a holiday, and I have lots of things to do. On Monday, I'm seeing my friends and we are going to the cinema. On Tuesday, I'm visiting my grandparents. On Wednesday, I'm playing tennis with my older brother. On Thursday, my parents are taking me to the dentist. Ouch! And on Friday, my best friend is having a party for her birthday. As you can see, all the paragraph is talking about actions that will happen in the future. Now let's write the sentences that show future arrangements and that are written in the present continuous. First, I'm seeing my friends. I'm playing tennis with my older brother. We're going to the cinema. My parents are taking me to the dentist. I'm visiting my grandparents. And the last one, my best friend is having a party. It's a very easy exercise. Now, I want you to exercise more. So let's look at this question. First, I want you to close your eyes and to start imagining a trip to Dubai. Let's read. You are going to have a vacation and you are planning a trip. On your notebook, write your arrangements for a trip to Dubai and list down some things you have planned to do there. We all dream of traveling to Dubai and see the beautiful things there. So I want you now to bring out your notebook and to start writing about the things that you are going to do in Dubai when you travel. Remember to use the present continuous to talk about your future plans and arrangements. Let's start like this. On next Saturday, I'm leaving to Amman. And then I'm taking the plane to Dubai. Then I'm staying with a friend. And you can continue your sentences like this. Dear students, I hope that you have learned how to use the present continuous to talk about your future plans and arrangements. Thank you for watching this video.